Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and welcome to Triple Play Saturday round 3. This is the last round. You're going to like this one, guys. Stay tuned. Hey, what's up? Welcome to Triple Play Saturday round 3. Now listen people, this guy, he gets down on some animation. I'm liking what this guy is bringing to the table with this new flavor, right? Now, the name of the watch face is called MTH0033. Now, it's made by the same developer, DXS Studio. This guy, I'm telling you, he's one to be reckoned with. Keep your eye on this guy. Now, in always on mode, what you're going to get is the same look for the most part. You're going to get your step info, heart rate info, you're going to get your digital time, everything you could possibly need out of a watch face to see in the always on mode. Now when you cut it on, you got this awesome, I do mean awesome animation of a heartbeat, very smooth, very fluid. You come down, of course you're going to get your steps, miles walked or ran, forward climb, of course your heart rate in big bold red numbers, and I like that he put that like that so you can see it clearly. You come down, you're going to get the days of the week. Also, you can set an alarm. You got your music on the other side. Digital time down at the bottom, very legible. And of course, you get your month and your day and battery info. And it is interactive, so if you need to go in and get more detailed information about that particular application, you can do so. Me personally, I like the fact that he gave me my music, which is nice. I always listen to my music. And you can set an alarm here as well. I'm telling you, this guy brought something to the table really nice. Now, here's the thing that's really cool about this, right? It is affordable in the Gear Manager store. When I mean affordable, I'm talking about real affordable, and that means it's up under $1. Check this one out for yourself in the Gear Manager store. All right, you all, that's it for Triple Play Saturday. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. I hope you all are having the greatest weekend ever. Again, happy Father's Day to everybody who are fathers. Enjoy your weekend. And I'm going to see you all at the next video. But before I go, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. All right, you all. I'm going to see you later. Take care.